Let us talk about some useful MS Paint shortcuts. Number one, closing paint window. Press Alt F4 and select Save or Don't Save as per your need. The paint window is now closed. After you have done any changes to your image, you can undo the changes by pressing Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z cancels all the previous tasks one by one. Or you can repeat the previous task by pressing Ctrl Y. You can press Ctrl plus A to select the complete image and press delete to delete the entire image. To make copies, first select the object, then press Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V for paste. Again press Ctrl V, you will get another copy. Thus, we can press Ctrl V many times as needed. We can also make copies by using Ctrl X. First select the object, then press Ctrl X. It will cut the original object, then press Ctrl V to get the similar objects. Press Ctrl V many times as needed. When you have selected a portion of the image, you can move that portion to the left by pressing left arrow. It will move the selected image to the left 1 pixel at a time. You can move it upward by pressing up arrow. You can move it downward by using down arrow, and you can move it towards right by using right arrow. While typing in MS Paint, after typing, and select the text by dragging the mouse pointer over the text or press Ctrl plus A to select the entire text. Then you can increase the size of the text by pressing Shift Ctrl greater than, or reduce its size by pressing Shift Ctrl less than. You can make the text bold by pressing Ctrl V. You can make the text italicized by pressing Ctrl I, or you can underline the text by pressing Ctrl U, and again pressing the same button will replace the action. To view the properties dialog box for the selected file, press Ctrl E. It will display the properties dialog box from where you can change the units of measurement and weight and height of the image. Press Ctrl plus W to open resize and skew dialog box. From here, you can change the size of image by writing here. If you write here more than 100, the size of the image will increase, and if you write here a smaller number than 100, then the size of the image will reduce. And skew will incline the image horizontally or vertically. You should mention here an angle in degrees. Suppose I write here 20 degree, that the image will horizontally incline by 20 degree. If you want to view the image full screen, press F11. And you know what you can do for me.